Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mule, and today is Thursday, April 25th, 2024. Today's topic, I got buzzed, and I used oregano oil to do it. Let me tell you what happened. So I'm cleaning stalls, and I see this big black bee go between the boards in the stall. I said, whoa, we are not having this. That's how the captain came down with intermittent lymphangitis. He got stung by a wasp. I said, I'm not having any vectors in these stalls. And besides, I got to keep the no-see-em flies down. So I had made a concoction of oregano oil and water to keep the mites out and to keep the mites and so on out of my chicken coop. So I go to the feed barn. This thing is loaded with dust. Grab it, and I go into there, and there's that bee. It's in and out of this little space. Well, I sprayed it, and the thing went bananas. It started buzzing me, going around and around and around. And I took it and I kept spraying it, and eventually it left the stall immediately. It exited stage left and hasn't come back. So that's the tip of the day. So if you, it's the way it is, folks. So if you want to learn more about becoming an equine lymphatic therapist, email me at info@healequine.com. You can also take a look at our curriculum at healequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum and dare to make a difference. Why? Because we can in 2024. Believe in the possible.